Have you ever gotten a quote for wood windows for your house, wood doors, and then you look at the sticker price and go, whoa, let's get into that. You ask yourself, why are these windows so expensive? Why are wood windows so much more expensive than pretty much every other window available on the market? The reason why is because, well, think about it. The material used is a natural material. It's wood, right? So you only have so much available, and it's harder to actually get that material. And to get that material, it's not cheap. It's not cheap for the manufacturer. So in turn, it's not going to be cheap for the customer. All the components that they're using for these wood windows are going to be top of the line. The Q-Long weather stripping that they're using, the components, the Hoppy lock systems, Truth hardware, all these different things that are going into these wood windows are going to be just more expensive. Every facet of that window is going to be more expensive. So if you're looking and getting wood windows and you look at the sticker and go, wow, man, each window is $3,500 or the door is $15,000. You know, the truth is, yeah, I mean, it's gonna cost a lot of money to get those windows built. And the other part of it is going to be how these things get installed as well. This is not gonna be a retrofin style replacement. This is going to be a full tear out every single time. And there's going to be way more labor involved in it, a recovery time. After everything is said and done, these windows are gonna look insanely, beautiful. They're gonna work well, and they're going to do everything that they promise. But the problem is always going to be how much money these things are going to cost you. You have a cabin in the mountains? Do you live in a place where, you know what, I have a lot of nature around me and I want to have wood windows to help create the look that I'm going for? Well, there's a price tag for that. Beautiful as they are and as awesome as they are, remember, it's all about the material, the cost of that material, and all of the hardware and the installation. All of this stuff combined is going to just equate to a big price tag. Get ready, right? Hopefully this window answers a couple questions for you. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us or go to the comment section. Thank you so much and make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.